We are pleased to show you the 2021 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.